Welcome back to the Top 4 Earn. Hey everyone, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to share the quickest method to earn money online effortlessly. That's right, you heard it correctly. No more wasting time on hustling or stressing about completing tasks. All you need is your laptop and an internet connection to get started. So sit back, relax, and let me guide you through this incredible technique that will fill your bank account in no time. Now let's jump right in. When it comes to online money making, one of the most popular approaches is affiliate marketing. Essentially, affiliate marketing involves promoting products for a company and earning a commission for each sale made through your promotions. Think of it as recommending a product or service to someone, and if they purchase based on your recommendation, you earn a portion of the sale. What's great about this method is that you don't have to deal with creating the product or managing the service yourself, which can be tedious and complex. You simply focus on making sales, and this can be highly profitable. If you're looking for an excellent affiliate program to join, I highly recommend checking out the GetResponse affiliate program. So let's get started with the first step of this money-making method, searching for the GetResponse affiliate program using Google Chrome. Once you find their website and navigate to it, you'll quickly realize why GetResponse is an ideal choice for affiliate marketers. On their site, they describe themselves as one of the most comprehensive and renowned platforms for email marketing and marketing automation. This is a promising start because it indicates that they have a strong reputation in the industry and are likely to have a high conversion rate. While exploring their website, one particular phrase caught my attention: grow with one of the most complete and well-known email marketing. The reason this is significant is that it not only allows you to earn money as an affiliate for GetResponse, but it also presents an opportunity for you to enhance your skills and expertise in the realm of email marketing and marketing automation. This is a major advantage because it means you can utilize this opportunity to not only generate income but also improve your own business or career prospects. Another noteworthy aspect is that the GetResponse affiliate program offers recurring commissions. This implies that every time someone you refer to their platform makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that purchase every single month. To illustrate, let's say someone you referred signs up for a $100 per month plan. As long as they remain a paying customer, you'll earn $25 per month. This has the potential to accumulate into a substantial amount of passive income over time. Once you've familiarized yourself with the benefits of the GetResponse affiliate program, it's time to proceed with the sign-up process. Firstly, you need to visit the GetResponse website and utilize the search function at the top of the page to find affiliate. This should display a few results, but the initial one you want to click on is the link for signing up for the GetResponse recurring affiliate program. This will direct you to a page where you can create your affiliate account. On the affiliate sign-up page, you'll be required to provide some basic information about yourself and your website if you have one. This includes details such as your name, email address, and website URL. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and submitted your application, click the Create Account button to finalize your sign-up. To complete the activation process, you should check your email inbox for a message from GetResponse. This email will contain a verification link that you need to click on in order to confirm your email address and activate your account. In case you don't see the email in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as it may have been filtered there by mistake. Once you've clicked on the verification link in the email, your account will be activated, and you can start using GetResponse immediately. Let's envision a scenario where 5,000 individuals visit your affiliate page, and only 2% of them end up making a purchase through your promoted product or service. That would mean 100 people have successfully made a purchase using your affiliate link. Now, suppose the service you're promoting offers a commission of $100 per sale, and it's a recurring commission, meaning you earn that commission every time the customer renews their subscription. In this case, your potential monthly earnings would reach $10,000 as you'd be making 100 sales at $100 each for 12 months. Of course, this is just an estimate, and your actual earnings will depend on various factors, such as the quality of your marketing efforts, the level of interest from your audience, and the effectiveness of the product or service you're promoting. Nonetheless, it's remarkable to see the potential earnings you could achieve with this method. Now let's move on to step 2. Promoting your GetResponse link on Facebook. After logging into the affiliate program, you'll find your link at the bottom, and all you need to do is click the Copy Link button. Next, navigate to Facebook. As a massive online community with millions of active users, Facebook provides an excellent platform for promoting your affiliate link and reaching a wide audience. To promote your GetResponse link on Facebook, you should search for relevant groups called posts within the Facebook platform. These posts are specialized communities that focus on specific topics. For example, you can search for posts related to marketing, entrepreneurship, or online business. Moving on to step 3. Responding to questions on Facebook. Utilize the search box on Facebook and type in a query like "which is the best landing page builder?" This will generate a list of posts and questions related to landing page builders. This presents an opportunity for you to offer helpful information and promote your affiliate link simultaneously. One effective approach is to employ the assistance of a chatbot, such as ChatGPT. Chatbots like this utilize artificial intelligence to understand questions and provide useful answers. By utilizing ChatGPT to assist you in answering questions, you can quickly offer valuable information to individuals seeking advice on landing page builders. When responding to questions, ensure that your answers are genuine and helpful. Avoid spamming your affiliate link in every post or comment you make. Instead, focus on addressing the specific question at hand and providing additional information that aids the person in making an informed decision. To enhance your responses, you can incorporate your affiliate link. For instance, if someone asks for a recommendation on a landing page builder that integrates with their email marketing software, you can suggest GetResponse and include your affiliate link. By doing this, you increase the likelihood of the person clicking on your link and making a purchase, resulting in higher commissions for you. It's crucial to remember that when promoting your affiliate link on Facebook, your responses will reach not only the person who asked the initial question, but also a vast audience. Even if the original person doesn't click on your affiliate link, there is still a chance that someone else who reads your response will be intrigued and click on your link. This is where providing valuable and helpful information becomes significant. Irrespective of whether the person who posed the question ultimately buys or not, offering valuable and informative responses increases the likelihood of people trusting your expertise and following your link to make a purchase. Remember, promoting your affiliate link on Facebook is not solely about making sales. It's about building trust and establishing yourself as a knowledgeable individual in your field. By providing value, you enhance your chances of making sales and growing your business in the long run. Therefore, take the time to create thoughtful and informative responses, and you will reap the benefits in your affiliate commissions. Keep in mind that earning money online requires effort and hard work, but with the right tools and strategies, it is certainly attainable. That's a wrap. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. See you next time.